Skateboard decks come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and designs and can often reflect the skateboarder's personal style or attitude. Companies will often collaborate with artists or graphic designers to create unique and eye-catching graphics. Skateboarding companies are always looking to innovate and push the boundaries with their deck graphics, from futuristic designs to more traditional graphics. Skateboarders looking for the perfect deck graphic can choose from a wide range of options. A skateboard deck is an extension of your personality and style, and it's important to find one that speaks to you. Skateboarding companies are constantly introducing new and innovative graphics to keep things fresh and exciting. There is no shortage of unique and eye-catching graphics to choose from. Get yours at https://www.zazzle.com/store/delivered merch.